Congratulations, you have successfully set up your dive chamber. Now we will go over the operation of the chamber. First, ensure that both compressors are on. For independent use, you will need to reconfigure the internal zipper. This is the view inside of the chamber. In this picture, the zippers are not configured for individual use. To configure, move both zipper sliders to the right. When looking at the zippers from the inside, this is what it will look like when it is configured for individual use. Make sure both compressors are turned on before entering the chamber. Connect the end buckle by the head, then step into the chamber. Connect the remaining buckles. Pull the external zipper all the way closed. Then close the internal zipper all the way, making sure it's seated in the dock. The chamber will be inflated to full pressure. When your treatment is done, turn the inside red deflation valve to release the air. Wait until the internal gauge reads 0 and the chamber is soft. Then unzip the internal and external zippers. Reach out and unbuckle the 2 center buckles. And step out. Now we would like to give you a more detailed explanation of the individual components on your chamber and their function. There are 2 pressure relief valves with blue circles. These are designed and factory calibrated to equalize the pressure at 1.3 ATA or 4.4 psi. They are located at each end of the chamber. There's a safety backup pressure relief valve with a yellow circle which is set to open at a slightly higher pressure than the blue valves. There may be a slight venting of air, which is normal. Next you will see the color-coded gauge. The needle will start at the bottom of the black area at 0. Once the chamber is fully pressurized, air will be released out of the blue pressure relief valves and the needle will appear in the blue area. If the needle is anywhere within the blue area, you are at full pressure. These gauges are accurate to plus or minus 5%. If the needle appears past the yellow area, stop use and call your distributor. There's also an internal gauge which operates similar to the exterior gauge. The only difference is the external gauge needle moves clockwise and the internal gauge needle moves counterclockwise. On the back of the chamber there are 2 fill valves. Next to the window is an auxiliary port where the auxiliary valve attaches. This small auxiliary valve is located in your packet along with the zipper cleaner, zipper lubricant, and thumb drive. There are also 2 additional ports, one at each end of the chamber. These are for additional accessories. The red deflation valve is designed to turn in either direction to release air from the chamber. This valve can also be used during pressurization to customize the speed of inflation for greater comfort and to aid in the equalization of ear pressure. If uncomfortable ear pressure is felt, there are several ways to relieve this pressure. The first, pinch your nose, close your mouth, and try gently blowing out your nose. Repeat every time you begin to feel that pressure. This technique is called the Valsalva maneuver. Drinking water during inflation can help the pressure on your ears as well. Yawning or opening your mouth wide will also help. Lastly, chewing gum may help relieve this pressure as well. If the above suggestions do not resolve the ear pressure, open the red deflation valve until the feeling of pressure is gone, then close the red deflation valve to continue to pressurize the chamber. The red deflation valve will allow you to control the speed of pressurization and to aid in equalizing the pressure on your ears. We hope that this short video has been helpful for you to become more familiar and comfortable when operating your chamber. It is very important to heed these few important reminders. Remember, make sure all buckles are closed and both the inside and outside zippers are completely closed every time the chamber is in use. Failure to do this may result in an inability to pressurize or damage the chamber. If the blue relief valves do not release air when it is at full pressure, stop your treatment and call your distributor. It is important that the relief valves are clear of all obstructions inside and out during your treatment. The compressors must remain on for the entire treatment. This ensures the circulation and exchange of fresh air to provide a safe and comfortable treatment. Do not open the zippers or unbuckle the straps until the gauge reads 0. Congratulations on completing your setup. Summit to Sea believes that you have purchased one of the best chambers on the market and you will be completely pleased with the ease of use and the quality of craftsmanship. Summit2C also believes that we have the best customer service of any hyperbaric chamber company on the market. We will always try our best to be available and give you prompt service. If you have any questions regarding your chamber, please contact your distributor first.
Thanks for considering StrongWellness.com for all your hyperbaric solution needs. Call 612-867-0950 for more information.